How fast do you eat your food? Think about your last meal. Did you take your time or did you eat very fast? Many of us rush our meals. We eat quickly, sometimes standing up, sometimes while looking at a screen. We finish in just a few minutes and we barely taste the food. But there's a simple habit that can make you healthier and happier, and it costs nothing. It is eating slowly. Today, I want to share with you the gentle power of slowing down at your meals. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let's slow down and learn together about the joy of eating slowly. First, let us talk about why we eat so fast. Modern life is busy. We are always in a rush. We eat fast so we can get back to work or to our phones. Many of us were also taught to eat fast as children. So fast eating becomes a habit, and we do not even notice it. But eating fast is not good for us. When we understand why, we can start to make a gentle change. The good news is, eating slowly is easy and feels wonderful. Now let me tell you a very important fact about your body. Your stomach needs time to tell your brain that it is full. This message takes about 20 minutes. So when you eat fast, you finish your food before your brain even knows you are full. So you eat more than your body needs. But when you eat slowly, your brain has time to get the "I am full" message. You feel full with less food. This is one of the best reasons to eat slowly. Let us talk about chewing. When you eat slowly, you chew your food well. This is very important. Chewing breaks the food into small, soft pieces. This makes it much easier for your stomach to do its work. When you eat fast, you swallow big pieces, and your stomach must work very hard. This can give you a heavy, uncomfortable feeling. So chew your food well and slowly. Good chewing is the first step of good digestion, and it is kind to your stomach. Eating slowly is also good for your weight and your health. Because you feel full with less food, you naturally eat the right amount. You do not overeat. Over time, this helps you keep a healthy weight. Eating slowly also helps your body take in the good things from your food. So this one simple habit helps your stomach, your weight, and your whole health. And you do not need any hard diet. You only need to slow down. Now let us talk about the joy of eating. When you eat fast, you do not really taste your food. You miss the flavors. But when you eat slowly, food becomes a real pleasure. You taste every bite. You enjoy the warm bread, the sweet fruit, the good cooking. Eating becomes a happy, calm moment in your day, not just a quick task. So eating slowly is not only healthy, it also brings more joy and pleasure to every single meal. Food tastes better when you slow down. Let me give you some simple tips to eat more slowly. First, put your fork down between bites. Take a bite, put your fork or spoon down, chew well, and only then pick it up again. This small trick slows you down a lot. Second, take smaller bites. Big bites make us rush. Small bites are easy to chew and enjoy. These two small changes make a big difference. Try them at your next meal and feel how calm it is. Here is another helpful tip. Eat without screens. Many of us eat while looking at the phone or the TV. But when we do this, we eat fast and we do not notice our food at all. So try to eat without screens. Put the phone away, turn off the TV, just sit with your food, look at it, smell it, taste it. When you give your full attention to your meal, you naturally eat more slowly and you enjoy it so much more. Let me share one more beautiful idea. Eat together with people and talk. When you eat with your family or friends and you talk between bites, you naturally eat slower. A shared meal is not a race. It is a happy time to be together. You eat, you talk, you laugh, and the meal becomes slow and warm. So whenever you can, eat with the people you love. Put the phones away and enjoy both the food and the company. This is one of life's simple joys. Now, let me show you my favorite secret. A calm, slow meal is a great time to learn English. Of course, do not look at a screen while you eat with family. But when you eat alone, you can listen with your ears. Put on a calm English podcast, like this one, and listen while you eat slowly. The slow, peaceful meal helps your mind relax and learn. You can also learn the English words for your food: plate, fork, bread, fruit, water, healthy. Your kitchen table becomes a calm, happy English classroom. We have learned so many healthy things about eating slowly today. We learned that many of us eat too fast because life is busy. We learned that our stomach needs about 20 minutes to tell our brain it is full. So eating slowly helps us eat the right amount. We learned that chewing well is kind to our stomach and good for our health. We learned that eating slowly brings more joy and real taste to our food. We learned simple tips like putting the fork down between bites, taking smaller bites, eating without screens, and eating together with people. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will learn about another simple and powerful habit for your health: drinking more water, and how this easy daily habit can make your body and mind feel brand new, all in easy English. You don't want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep eating slowly, keep enjoying, and keep speaking English.